In the realm of holistic wellness, the soothing ritual of sipping tea transcends cultural boundaries, offering more than just warmth and comfort. As we navigate the complexities of modern life, the quest for heart health becomes increasingly paramount. Fortunately, nature provides a plethora of options to promote cardiovascular well-being, and among them, tea emerges as a gentle yet powerful ally. In this exploration of nature's elixirs, we delve into the world of teas that stand out for their potential to support heart health. Beyond their delightful flavors and aromatic profiles, these teas harbor compounds and antioxidants that may contribute to maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. From the centuries-old traditions of green tea to the vibrant hues of hibiscus, let's embark on a journey through the 5 best teas that promise not just a delightful tea time but also a sip toward heart wellness. Number 1. Green tea. One beverage that has gained widespread recognition for its potential cardiovascular benefits is green tea. Originating from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant, green tea has been consumed for centuries and has become a staple in many cultures. Green tea is a powerhouse of antioxidants, particularly catechins. The catechins in green tea have been shown to have a positive impact on cholesterol levels. Specifically, they may help lower levels of LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, and increase levels of HDL cholesterol, considered good cholesterol. Maintaining a healthy balance of cholesterol is essential for preventing the buildup of plaque in the arteries. Hypertension, or high blood pressure, is a significant risk factor for heart disease. Green tea has been investigated for its potential to help regulate blood pressure. Some studies suggest that the regular consumption of green tea may lead to modest reductions in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. This effect is attributed to the presence of catechins and other bioactive compounds that promote relaxation of blood vessels. The endothelium, the inner lining of blood vessels, plays a crucial role in regulating vascular function. Green tea has been shown to improve endothelial function, enhancing the ability of blood vessels to relax and expand. This improvement contributes to better blood flow and may help prevent the development of blood clots and atherosclerosis. Number 2. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea, derived from the vibrant and captivating hibiscus plant, has long been enjoyed for its refreshing taste and enticing color. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, this herbal tea has gained recognition for its potential health benefits, particularly in promoting heart health. Chronic inflammation is increasingly recognized as a contributor to various cardiovascular conditions. Hibiscus tea contains anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in blood vessels and other tissues. By mitigating inflammation, the tea may contribute to improved vascular function and overall heart health. Maintaining healthy cholesterol levels is crucial for cardiovascular health. Hibiscus tea has shown promise in helping manage cholesterol levels, particularly by reducing levels of LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. This may be attributed to the tea's ability to inhibit the absorption of dietary cholesterol and promote the excretion of cholesterol from the body. Hibiscus tea possesses mild diuretic properties, promoting increased urine production. While this effect is not a direct contributor to heart health, it may indirectly contribute by helping to reduce blood volume and subsequently lower blood pressure. Number 3. Oolong tea. In the world of tea, oolong stands as a unique and flavorful beverage with a rich heritage and a spectrum of health benefits. Among its many touted advantages, one area where oolong tea shines is in promoting heart health. Renowned for its semi-oxidized leaves and distinctive taste, oolong tea has captured the attention of researchers and tea enthusiasts alike for its potential cardiovascular benefits. High blood pressure is a significant risk factor for heart disease. Oolong tea may assist in regulating blood pressure levels. The flavins in oolong have been associated with vasodilation, which helps relax blood vessels and improve blood flow, ultimately contributing to better blood pressure control. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for heart health, and oolong tea may aid in weight management. Some studies suggest that oolong tea can increase metabolism and contribute to fat oxidation, potentially assisting in weight loss and weight maintenance. The presence of theophylline in oolong tea is associated with improved blood circulation. This can enhance the delivery of oxygen and nutrients throughout the body, supporting overall cardiovascular function. Number 4. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea, derived from the dried flowers of the chamomile plant, has been celebrated for centuries for its calming properties. Beyond its reputation as a gentle sleep aid and stress reliever, emerging research suggests that chamomile tea may offer notable benefits for heart health. Chronic stress can take a toll on heart health. Chamomile tea's reputation for promoting relaxation and reducing stress may indirectly benefit the heart. Stress management is crucial, as stress hormones can influence blood pressure and heart rate, potentially contributing to cardiovascular issues. Adequate sleep is vital for overall health, including heart health. Chamomile tea's mild sedative properties may contribute to better sleep quality. Quality sleep is associated with a lower risk of cardiovascular problems, making chamomile tea a gentle aid in promoting restful nights. Antioxidants are crucial for neutralizing free radicals that can contribute to oxidative stress in damaged cells, including those in the cardiovascular system. Chamomile tea contains antioxidants, such as apigenin, which may help protect the heart from oxidative damage and promote overall cardiovascular resilience. Maintaining healthy blood pressure is essential for cardiovascular well-being. Studies have suggested that chamomile tea may have a mild hypotensive, blood pressure-lowering effect. Regular consumption might contribute to the relaxation of blood vessels, aiding in the regulation of blood pressure levels. Number 5. Black tea. Black tea is a robust source of antioxidants, particularly polyphenols and catechins. These compounds play a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Maintaining proper arterial function is essential for heart health. Black tea has shown potential in enhancing endothelial function, which refers to the health of the inner lining of blood vessels. By promoting better endothelial function, black tea may contribute to improved blood vessel dilation and reduced risk of atherosclerosis. Studies have indicated that regular consumption of black tea might be associated with a lower risk of stroke. The combination of antioxidants and other bioactive compounds in black tea may contribute to the prevention of blood clot formation and the improvement of overall blood vessel health, reducing the likelihood of stroke. Chronic stress is a contributing factor to heart disease. Black tea contains L-theanine, an amino acid that has calming effects and can help reduce stress and anxiety. By promoting relaxation, black tea may indirectly support heart health by mitigating the impact of stress on the cardiovascular system. Elevated levels of LDL cholesterol, low-density lipoprotein, are a known risk factor for heart disease. Black tea may aid in cholesterol management by positively influencing lipid profiles. Some research suggests that the theaflavins and catechins in black tea may help reduce LDL cholesterol levels, contributing to a healthier cardiovascular system.